Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we get. Trust in yourself. All right, which envelope has our quotes today? I'm digging this one today. My to-do list today. Count my blessings, let go of what I can't control, practice kindness, listen to my heart, be productive yet calm, and just breathe. Surround yourself with people that reflect who you want to be and how you want to feel. Energy is contagious. Today, I remind myself that my soul is beautiful, my mind is powerful, I have a heart of gold and a lot to be grateful for. When you forgive others, you release yourself from unnecessary suffering and make space for healing. Grant yourself the benefit of the same compassion and understanding you offer to other people. He who controls others may be powerful, but he who has mastered himself is mightier still. And the last one today. Some people grow up and some people get older. Understand the difference. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.